Hey everybody, Ale Flores here again with OrlandoVacation.com, where we're going to give you some tips and tricks how to make your Orlando vacation awesome. What are we talking about this time? We're going to be talking about everything you need to know about Magic Kingdom. All right, so you want to know about the most magical place on earth. But first, if you haven't done this before, go ahead and click that subscribe button and the bell icon so you can get notified of new and helpful videos for planning your next Orlando vacation. All right, let's do this. Magic Kingdom opened on October 1st, 1971 as the first park of Walt Disney World. Since then, it has had expansions and grown into one of the most iconic theme parks in the world. Now, unlike the other Disney parks, Magic Kingdom is not directly connected to the parking lot. This helps keep the magic separated from the real world. Staying at any of the resorts or hotels near Magic Kingdom can be a perk, as they can get you into the park easier by hotel monorail or by walking with a special path. If you aren't staying nearby, when you're going to the Magic Kingdom, you'll actually park at the Transportation and Ticket Center. Here, you can get tickets and catch a ride on either the monorail or the ferry to be taken to the Magic Kingdom. The ferry's awesome, I love that one. At the front of the park are the turnstiles, guest services, and rentals. Proceed forward under the train station to Main Street, USA. It is themed to look like nostalgic Americana and to resemble where Walt Disney grew up. Neat. It is lined with stores and food, as well as a spot to meet the Big Cheese himself, Mickey Mouse, in the Town Square Theater. Big Cheese, that's what he eats. It's crazy. You can buy merchandise for the whole park in the Emporium and grab a hot dog at Casey's Corner, my favorite stop. I stop there every time. Also, take a moment to take in the most picturesque view straight down Main Street, where you get your first glimpse of Cinderellas Castle. You might want to watch the trolley tracks as you snap pics though. Gets me every time. I'm also clumsy. If you continue forward towards the castle, you will see the Rose Garden, a great place for a picnic, to catch a show, or the nightly fireworks. Now, let's start to the left and head towards Adventureland, themed around an Arabian village and the Caribbean. First off, yes, you can get Dole Whips. Just gonna need a moment. Love them so much. You can also catch a ride on the Jungle Cruise, explore the Swiss Family Treehouse, and adventure with Captain Jack on the Pirates of the Caribbean. Kids will love the magic carpets and the Enchanted Tiki Room. You can grab a bite and do some shopping here. Check out the Sunshine Tree Terrace and the Tortuga Tavern, or the Agrabah Bazaar. The next area is Frontierland, themed to the untamed Wild West. Woo! Say hi to Billy the Goat on Big Thunder Mountain, take the plunge on Splash Mountain, catch a show of the Country Bears, and let the kids explore Tom Sawyer Island. You can grab a meal at the Diamond Horseshoe or Pecos Bill Tall Tale Inn and Cafe. While shopping at the Frontier Trading Post, you could catch a glimpse of the Liberty Bell riverboat as it sails past Tom Sawyer's Island. This area bends into Liberty Square, themed to look like the early years of USA. Here is the Hall of Presidents, and where you can get on the riverboat. For a little spooky fun, and my favorite again, you can get in a doom buggy in the Haunted Mansion and check out the Memento Mori shop. For some American-style cooking, get a table at the Columbia Harbor House or Liberty Tree Tavern. For a quick meal, try a chicken waffle sandwich at Sleepy Hollow. Now, we get to the biggest area of Magic Kingdom, Fantasyland. Fantasyland is located behind the castle and consists of the castle courtyard, Enchanted Forest, and the Storybook Circus. Here you can see other castles, including Belle and the Beasts, where the Be Our Guest restaurant is located, and Ariel and Eric's castle, where the Journey of the Little Mermaid is. Here you can also dine inside Cinderella's castle at the Royal Table, grab a LeFou's Brew at Gaston's Tavern, and grab quick eats at Pinocchio Village House, among other quick service restaurants. There are tons of places to purchase fantasy merchandise. Pop into Sir Mickey's 100 Acre Goods, Fantasy Fair, Castle Couture, and so many others. You have lots of options for finding the perfect pair of Mickey ears. That's kind of what I'm saying. You can go anywhere. Just because you are in a sweet, sweet fantasy, baby, doesn't mean there aren't exciting rides. Get on the Family Coaster, Seven Dwarfs Mine Train, bounce with Tigger on the Many Adventures of Winnie the Pooh, get spun around on the Mad Tea Party. There are also tons of rides that little ones can ride, including Peter Pan's Flight, It's a Small World, the Brainstormer, Dumbo the Flying Elephant, and Prince Charming Regal Carousel. Next, we step into Tomorrowland. Here, there are sci-fi inspired thrills and experiences. The whole family can enjoy Astro Orbiter, Buzz Lightyear Space Ranger Spin, Monsters Inc. Laugh Floor, and the Tomorrowland Speedway. For low-key experiences, there's the People Mover and the Carousel of Progress. These are great if you're wanting to relax or need a little break in between the day, like when it's really hot. It's a good time to cool off. For the complete opposite, there's the famous Space Mountain Coaster, and soon, the Tron Light Cycle Run. Quick service is also available for food in Cosmic Rays and the Lunching Pad. Get it? There's also some space age merch at Star Traders. Now this, of course, is just a quick overview because you'll want to experience it all for yourself. If you're wanting even more information, we've included a link in the description for a guide to the Magic Kingdom Park and all of Walt Disney World. Go check it out. And just so you know, we offer the best Disney Magic Kingdom tickets. You can get in on this deal by visiting OrlandoVacation.com or speaking with one of our vacation specialists at 1-800-641-4008. And as always, if you're looking for more tips and tricks for your next Orlando vacation or need help planning, be sure to check out our website at OrlandoVacation.com, where we offer the best discounted prices and have a variety of blogs to help you make the most out of your Orlando vacation. All right, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye, everybody.